Lynde Shores Conservation Area just east of Toronto was established back in 1972 and is extremely popular for wildlife viewing. This hidden gem of Durham region has over 5 kilometers of trails and a canoe and kayak launch area. In this video I'm going to show you how to get there and what you can expect to see from your kayak or canoe once you're on the water. So let's get to it. Getting to Lynde Shores and Whitby is very easy. Head to the 401 and start traveling east. Depending on where you're coming from, you'll pass by the Scarborough Town Centre. As you enter Durham region, you'll drive through the Rouge Valley. Just past Ajax, you'll see an exit for Lake Ridge Road, Highway 23. Exit here and head south. At the intersection of Lake Ridge Road and Victoria Street, turn left heading east. Not too far along, you'll see the parking lot for Lynde Shores on the south side. Just off the parking lot, there is a place you'll put in for your kayak or canoe. You can be a little slippery by the rocks, so take your time getting in. Don't forget to check the link below in the description for more information on when you can kayak or canoe at Lynde Shores. So now that's how you can get to Lynde Shores. So what can you expect to see when you're at Lynde Shores on the water? Coming up, you'll see what it's like to paddle around Lynde Shores, what it's like to exit Lynde Shores and go out onto Lake Ontario. You'll also see some of the wildlife you might come across while you're out there. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'll have some links to other places in Durham region where you can go kayaking and canoeing. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button below so you won't miss my next video. If you're interested in seeing more photos, check out my Instagram channel for detailed information on how I took each photo. Thank you for watching this short video on how to kayak or canoe in and around Lake Ontario. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button below so you won't miss my next video.